Is your business falling apart? Well, expanding your business will lead to failure. Everything was looking right in the beginning. But what exactly will happen when your business will reach at peak? And also, can you take your customers for granted? And lastly, do we really need to adapt to change in business? Well, running a business is like riding a bicycle. If you stop pedaling, you fall. Everything might seem great in the beginning, but one mistake and everything falls apart. Many once successful businesses have collapsed not because they lack potential, but because they made critical mistake. But what if you could learn from their mistake and make sure your business thrives? This is why I am here for. Hi, I'm Simi from Bosswala, and today I will be sharing not just 10 powerful lessons from major business failures. What they didn't do to save their business, but you can. See, we all know that businesses require proper planning and action at the right time. But there are many who are great with planning but lack execution. And while others do have plan of action but don't know how to begin with. And today in this video, I will be sharing some stories that will help you to understand your business and learn when to take the right move. Lesson number 1. Not adapting to changing customer preferences. So it is the story of 1980s and 90s. Nirula was India's most famous fast food brand. It was one of the India's first burger and pizza chain and had a loyal customer base. Families love eating at Nirula's and it was very popular hangout spot. But then international brands like McDonald's, Domino's and KFC entered the Indian market. These brands had modern branding and marketing approach. They offered quick service at affordable prices, understood changing customer preferences. Meanwhile, Nirula's didn't evolve. Their restaurant looked outdated, service was slow and pricing wasn't competitive. As a result, customers started choosing newer, trendier brands. How this could have been avoided? Nirula could have upgraded its branding, improved service speed and introduced budget-friendly menu items like McDonald's did. Their burger starts from 25. Also, they should have expanded aggressively in malls and food court, just like their competitors. Customer experience definitely matters, so they could have monetized their outlet to attract younger crowds. So it's very simple. If there is a new hangout in the city and everyone is talking about it, you will be curious to know what is the spot all about, what all services do they offer, what are the new menus they have brought. So overall, you will be curious, right? So why not bring the change in your business as well? So the lesson for small businesses owner, keep reinventing your business based on customer preferences. What worked 10 years ago won't work today. Lesson number 2, expanding too fast without stronger finances. Have you heard about Vishal Mega Mart? So in the early 2000s, Vishal Mega Mart was India's fastest growing retail chain. It started with simple concept, affordable shopping for middle class families. Seeing rapid growth, the company opened over 170 stores across India in just few years. But this expansion was faster than their financial capabilities. In result, the company took massive loans to open new stores. Many outlets were not profitable, that lead to losses. They also struggled with inventory mismanagement and rising operational costs. And by 2008, the company ran out of money and was forced to sell itself to private investors. How this could have been avoided? Instead of rapid expansion, Vishal Mega Mart could have focused on steady, sustainable growth. They should have tested new locations before opening hundreds of stores at once. Smart cash flow management would have also helped them to avoid financial stress. Now, what we learn from this lesson? Don't expand faster than your business can handle. Growth is important, but only if your finances and operation can support it. I still remember that we had a Kodak camera at every family functions or gathering. We used to click a lot of pictures and wait till the pictures get washed and print and come back to us. But later with time, I didn't realize the Kodak camera was replaced by digital cameras. Why? So that's what our lesson number 3 is all about. Ignoring technology and online trends. Kodak was once the biggest name in photography. Every Indian household had Kodak film rolls for family functions and vacation. But when digital cameras and smartphones arrived, Kodak refused to adapt. They thought film cameras would always remain popular. Meanwhile, companies like Canon, Sony, Nikon embraced digital photography and online sales. And within few years, Kodak film business collapsed. How this could have been avoided? Kodak should have shifted to digital cameras when the trend started. By adopting technology early, Kodak should have shifted to digital cameras when the trend started. Building an online presence, instead of relying on retail sale, they could have sold directly to customers online. Lesson for small businesses owner: always stay ahead of technology trends. If customer prefer online shopping or digital service, adapt them quickly before the competitors take over. Lesson number 4: overconfidence and lack of market research. Kingfisher Airlines. We all know the story of Kingfisher, right? Kingfisher started as a premium airline offering luxury travel at high prices, but they ignored one thing. Indian customers want affordable flights, not luxury. Meanwhile, low-cost airlines like Indigo, SpiceJet grew rapidly because they understood the real market demand. How this could have been avoided? Proper market research. Kingfisher should have understood that Indian prioritize cost over luxury, focusing on profits instead of just brand image. Lesson for small businesses owner: know your market before making any big decision. What you think customer want might not be what actually they want. Lesson number 5: depending too much on one single product. Do you remember Ambassador car? We all do, right? But it's very hard to find these days. In fact, Kolkata had few of them as their yellow taxi, but now they have also replaced them. So what's the failure story of Ambassador cars? For decades, Ambassador car ruled Indian roads. Government official, taxi drivers and family all loved it. But after Maruti, Hyundai and Honda entered India, customer wanted modern, fuel-efficient car. Ambassador didn't innovate and stuck to its old design. And by 2014, it was forced to shut down. How this could have been avoided? Continuous innovation. They should have launched new modern design to compete. Diversifying products instead of selling online, diversifying products instead of selling one car model, they could have introduced multiple options. Lesson for small businesses owner: don't depend on one single product. Keep innovating or your business will become outdated. Now we both know many businesses fail because they ignored the warning sign. But you don't have to make the same mistake. Start adapting change as per trends. Don't try to expand until you are ready in all terms. Stay ahead of technology, understand your customers, and always do market research. And most importantly, don't depend on one single product. So if you found this useful, share with someone who is new to business and download Bosswala app to be money smart. Bosswala helps you to learn practical strategies and framework directly from successful business owners through video courses and one-to-one video call. Not just that, Bosswala provides you with all the tools and resources to start, operate and grow your business. So let's build a smarter and stronger business community in India. Thank you for watching.
Bosswala. Be the boss.